Alright, YouTube, we got a different type of video here. I'll show you something. Alright, YouTube, we got a different video. Alright, what up, my people? We got a different video here today. Today, we're gonna have to change this whole piece out. Now, let's spin this around. This whole back gotta come off. What we're looking at right now is this wire here and go back in here. Right in the hand is where it connects to the stove. So you have this wire here and this one here. So this goes back up in there. So what we have to do is take this off here. There's a hole that goes in this oven right here, so we gotta find a hole here. There we go. That gotta get put back up in there. So you gotta spin this back around so I can get it. Like that. Use your hands to find it. It's definitely gonna go back up in there. There. Just gotta fill it with your hand. Make sure you unplug this stove. Unplug it. It'll be working like this. You still got the thing plugged up because you're gonna get fried. There you go. So we're gonna leave that there for now. It might come out because you get all this up here. Alright. So you try to get something to hold this. She should be in there. Now she'll have to come up. Just go over here. You know what? Put some tape there. It'll make it easier. Alright? Some tape. Alright, so what we're gonna do is take this tape, keep it from coming out. We'll have to spin it back around anyway, so just gotta go back in there, get the tape here to hold it. Because she keep coming out, so I'm gonna have to spin it back around and plug it up. Alright, so let's get this tape on here. This is something you can do yourself. You don't really have to call an electrician. You don't have to call plumber, whatever, handyman. You can do all this yourself. Especially you catch the video on YouTube, you know. So it's pretty much self-done, self-taught. Just gotta make sure you get that in the hole. And once it's in the hole, I'm gonna tape it so she don't come out. It's right there. And get rid of all the tape too. Alright. Let's get this one home first. play with it. As long as you get in there, you good. There you go. Should be in there. Yeah, she in there. So we're gonna tape this one up. The moment she in there. Tape that up right there. I just want to tape it up so that the wire don't keep bouncing out, because that's what she just did a little while ago. She's gonna bounce out. You can just tape the tape off. Alright. This one gotta go back in here. I think it's back in there. No, it's not in there. That's there. Get that one to hold. Pretty much we're gonna just go ahead. You know what? I know what to do. And we're gonna do it different. We're gonna just stick it right in and plug it up. Alright? Stick it in and plug it up. Make it easy. Alright, so. Put this back up. Like so. Pieces here.
Oh, yeah. Facts. So that's why they pop up in there. So now I got popping in. Yeah, make sure. Hold up. Make sure y'all pull that wire down right there. So you have to do now is button it back up. Make sure y'all pull that wire down right there. So what you're gonna do right now, put the screws, everything back in, spin it around, and then plug it up and give it a test run. That's pretty much about it. Hey. Oh, shit. What was that? Okay. Just gotta come back off. What happens is, this clamps. Yeah, crazy bitch came back home. See, this is the reason why I ain't go back in there. I ain't going there because simple fact how that's what you want. You want everybody, you know, oh, happy she back. Blah, 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 blah. I ain't going there. You already know who the Mac is. You know what I'm saying? Some heat. Fact, he takes his ass back real quick. He need a place to sit. That's who the Mac is. Mac manufacturer.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clown, fame, a disease I play. We all love it, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. With the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let it fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirst. Hey, I'm toxic and psychotic, but this logic can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh, to last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change.
Rush over there to her. You know what I'm saying? That's what she wants. She wants you to rush over to her.
If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest.
Alright, YouTube, that's pretty much about it. And we're just flipping around.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily.
Test it, see if it works.
But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Bait. It'll get red, but she'll get hot when I ain't got to touch it. Feel it. There you go, you see the spin coming up, so she's pretty much done. it. Shut it down. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy J Quill on Talk Live.